In today's world, effective governance and financial accountability are the pillars of national progress. Step into the future of leadership with Trembit Executive and Staff Training Institute and Trembit Consult at the 2026 International Workshop on Public Sector Governance and Financial Management. From June 23rd to 25th, 2026, at the Airport West Hotel, Accra. Join distinguished professionals for 3 days of transformative learning under the theme Implementing Innovative Governance and Accountability Frameworks. This workshop is tailored for public sector leaders, finance and audit professionals, governance and compliance experts, development specialists, academics, and international stakeholders. For just 3,000 Ghana cedis per participant, you'll receive a certificate of participation, comprehensive course materials, interactive learning experiences, networking opportunities with peers and experts, and daily lunch included. Choose your mode of delivery, online or in person, and elevate your expertise in governance and financial management. To enroll, call or WhatsApp 024410 3250, 053928 5757, or 05430 90446. Trembit Executive and Staff Training Institute. Soar with us as we shape the future of governance.